Today we are gonna make slime. So the ingredients you are gonna need are some glue. You can use Elmer's glue or HB glue, or we're using HB glue, or you can use Elmer's glue. You're gonna need borax. You're gonna need shaving cream. You're gonna need food coloring is optional. You're gonna need something to put it in, something to make the borax with. Oh, you're gonna need water and something to stir with. So if you can see, I already have my glue in. That's it. That's all I did with my glue. So you're just gonna pour the glue. Then you're gonna get your borax ready. So put that aside. You're gonna get your water. Yeah. Get your water. Okay, I think I'm gonna need a little bit more. Okay, so you got your water. Then you're gonna get your borax. Oh, and you're gonna need a container to put it on. I'm gonna use a bag. Ugh, I forget about it. And I'm gonna put it in this container. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. Okay, so get your borax. I'm gonna get it. You're only gonna put a teaspoon of it. You're only gonna put a teaspoon. My spoon had glue, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay, that should be good. You're gonna stir that. And put your borax away. Mom, you're getting in the video. What are you doing? Oh, it's about time. Weren't you talking about in the car, trying to take a nap and everything? Getting some. I'm not on Facebook, I'm on YouTube. I'm in a. Facebook Live. No? It even told me. Oh yeah, because I'm still on Facebook Live. I gotta. Well, are you watching me? No, that's why I took off Facebook. Okay, so you're just gonna stir that. Go pick it up. Until it dissolves. I'll be right back when it dissolves. Okay, so once it's all dissolved, you're gonna pour it in your glue, but don't pour that much. Pour like a little bit at a time, and keep stirring it, and just stir it. You can see it's already turning into slime. And if you don't want the texture that you have it, just pour a little bit more. Oh, I like that texture, but it's a little bit sticky. Again, I'm gonna say it. Ooh, you know what I forgot to do? Add shaving cream. Do not add shaving cream after, it will not work. but yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more borax. I said a little bit, I poured a lot. Okay, I think I'm ready. Take it out. And then see. If it's not stretchy, you add lotion. So yeah. There you go. That's how you make some slime. So if you can see mine's not stretchy, I can add lotion. And get an old lotion. Don't get your mom's brand new lotion because she will hit you or get mad at you. You gotta ask permission. Oh, and have a parent do this with you because the borax may be bad for you. You don't know what you're allergic to. I'm not allergic to nothing. Well, there you go. Thank you for coming and watching me make it. Food coloring's optional. Thank you for coming. Bye.